Hello everybody, WaffleSmores99 here, and yeah, it has been a while since I've uploaded anything in this channel. I'm really sorry about that. And with that, let's get right into that. Where I've been and the what's gonna happen with this channel moving forward. We're gonna start off with this, I guess, big elephant in the room here that's happening, which is, yes, a totally different kind of content that's going to be uploaded through this channel. So what I'm doing here is a very old school way of planning out like the layouts of like web pages for a website. I was taught this in one of my classes in college, and I really liked that, especially for my own personal projects. And so that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, I do code, but I'm more of like I'm front end heavy. I'm a very front end focused software engineer. So what you're gonna be seeing in this channel is basically just me doing like on the videos, stuff like this, where I'm doing basically front end development and coding, while I put some sort of like commentary about like me talking about things that I like to talk about, want to talk about, and want to upload in this channel as like the typical content for this channel that I will be uploading and that you guys should expect from this channel as well. So yeah, I'm really excited about this new layout, and I'm sure that you guys will adjust to it, and if not, then there's always other channels who can do, you know, the Minecraft videos, Minecraft commentary. But yeah, am I going to be doing Minecraft commentary anymore anytime soon? Probably not. This channel is going to be mainly focused on like video wise, me doing front end UI development, and then my commentary is just gonna be like what I said, topics that I want to talk about. Moreover, with what's happening in this video too, so here, yes, I folded up the paper into like where it has like 8 boxes, and so each of the small like box, it's supposed to be like a small prototype of a, you know, web design, like the design of the web page. That's like I'm like basically brainstorming out of my head, but but this time on the front part of this paper, I am doing 4 instead of like 8. But then you're gonna see later on in this video that I flip to the back of that same page, and then I do 8 different brainstorming ideas of, you know, the design of the website. And yes, if you could see, I am designing and coding my own personal portfolio website, and I just figured, why not I just, you know, showcase it on the internet of me developing this thing, because yeah, I actually really do enjoy doing YouTube videos. I just never really had gotten a chance to make the time for it until now, so there's that. Okay, before I talk about like where I have been, I'm gonna talk moreover about what's gonna happen with this channel and the contents behind it. So yes, I already told you guys about like the video content. Please expect this. I will also be working on with Figma, so stay tuned for that. And the frameworks that I will most likely be using are going to be Next.js and Tailwind, and possibly like later on Ruby on Rails. I love Next.js so much. That can be like a completely different like video on its own, but yeah. So expect that. And yes, you will be seeing me downloading all those frameworks and just everything from scratch. So now that I've already got that out of the way with the video content that you guys will be expecting from me and in this channel moving forward, also what's gonna happen with the audio content moving forward, the commentary, is I am thinking of since I actually am still planning on uploading like twice a week, so like every Monday and Friday, I was thinking that every Monday I upload a video where the commentary on Mondays are going to be about whatever kind of topics that I want to talk about, whether it's about manifestation, the Bible, which I'm also passionate about, positivity, and just other things too, like even my child-free lifestyle as well and stuff like that. And then on Fridays, I'm thinking of saving that for the other side of the content, the commentaries that I find passion in, which are going to be most likely scary stories, disturbing, morbid curiosity, read-throughs that I may find on Reddit or on the internet that I would like to, just read along as like for you guys to, I don't know, just listen to while you're doing work or whatever in the background, or just cause like as like a different way of making this kind of content, I guess, where I'm doing my coding stuff on the videos and then audio commentaries are going to be about something disturbing or scary or whatnot. So yeah, scary stories and morbid curiosity stuff possibly, and then maybe I'm thinking of reading through like some like CIA disclosed documents too, or some kind of stuff like that I may find very interesting to just read through and just possibly share to you guys. So yeah, and that's the kind of content that I am thinking of doing moving forward. And if you guys are on board about that, then welcome back. Welcome, what is it? Welcome back. Welcome aboard. You get what I mean. And it's about the editing and the audio. Yeah, the audio, the editing, and all that, whatever. So, with the editing stuff, it's not gonna be like super Mr. Beast kind of like professional editing, okay? It's gonna be literally like this, where it's gonna be very imperfect. And effortless for my end of doing these videos. Because not only is it just easy, but I just feel like I just love that kind of content, where especially now with the age of AI, where channels that feel and seem way too perfect, or just it has a different vibe to where that this is AI robotic generated. Yeah, like I am very much now embracing the imperfections of a human recording their own content and posting their own content. It's like basically what I'm doing here. If the microphone, like the way the audio is like going up and down, bothering you guys, please let me know. Please comment down in the comment section any kind of feedback on my videos, like whether the audio is either too low or too too high to where it bursts your eardrums and all that, or I don't know, whatever, or even just send me like topic requests too, especially for like when I'm doing the kind of commentary when I'm reading scary stories, morbid curiosity stuff, disclose obscure CIA documents and whatnot. Like, I'm very interested in all that feedback and requests from your end, guys. Like, I'm doing this channel not only for myself, because I do want to actually get more serious with being consistent in this channel, for fun, and also for like my professional side of my life, like with front end development, to showcase to the world my skills and all that, but also just for you guys, and just being yet another YouTuber who not only, I guess not, I don't know, this to me feels like the way that I am like outlining this for my channel, like outlining this channel is like quite unique, because every Monday expect like more like a more positive, lighthearted kind of commentary, audio commentary, while having my coding stuff on display as video. And then on Fridays it's going to be the flip side, where you're still going to have the coding content as video in video form, but the commentary is going to be something about, like what I said, like just I guess negative, like disturbing stuff, like stuff that I find really, that I'm really passionate about, which is of course like morbid curiosity, all that, you get what I mean. So yeah, and yeah, this, what I'm trying to say is that this channel is also for you guys to enjoy as well, and whether it's through me doing my front end stuff, or through just me reading over like horror stories, or it's me doing commentaries about whatever kind of videos, like topics that I would like to discuss on Mondays. So yeah, like because like I already have whatever I wanted. I already have like personal things outside of YouTube that are for me, like drawing, coloring, reading, all that stuff. So this to me is like a pretty unique thing, like unique part of my life, where I'm not only doing this for myself, but also for people who are going to be watching this, you, my viewers and subscribers. So yeah, and then now we're gonna move over to how I've been and all that stuff, and the hiatus and all that. So I was actually supposed to upload more content where I'm not only doing commentary, but also using like Minecraft, like playing Minecraft around I don't know, fall of 2024, I believe, something like that, somewhere around that area, because that was when I started my second half of my 4-year academic career. If you well, I'm sure you don't know yet, but I just graduated with my bachelor's in cybersecurity. Woohoo! So yeah, and yeah, these last 2 years were pretty rough, because the coursework was a lot more. There was a lot more workload with coursework compared to my first 2 years of me obtaining my associates in computer programming. So yeah, along with that, I had to, because of that, I had to like really understand and adjust to my, like, I guess like schedule and whatnot on things that I wanted to do around that time, that aligns with the workload that I was currently having around that time with cybersecurity. It was a lot of workload, and I'm really grateful that I not only have gotten my 4-year degree at a very low price, and with privilege too, but also just getting the workload out of my sight, out of my mind. Goodness. But yeah, like, so then literally after I was like getting into the groove of the workload for the classes, and adjusting to it. I was having reproductive issues, like reproductive organ issues. And long story short, I had decided, especially because of the 2024 election, I wanted to get my tubes removed, my fallopian tubes removed, and then after that, getting a hysterectomy, which is what I got. I got both of them in like a year. So yeah, I got diagnosed with endometriosis stage 1, which I find crazy because to me it felt like stage 4 instead of stage 1, but whatever, I digress. Um, and I was just I also had like a very angry uterus and all that craziness too. I just had a really crazy like a crazy uterus and all that, and it just needed to be evicted, bro. And I'm glad that it did, because yeah, I would literally not be doing this right now if I still have that uterus in my freaking body, bro. Yeah, it was very much needed. So yeah, long story short, I just had health issues that were greatly impacting me from doing not only the ability to come back to my YouTube channel until now, but also it also interfered with my ability to focus on social, like being, my social skills, and also at my my software development skills and stuff like that. Like literally, those things were the last things that I was thinking about doing whenever I was just in pain and waiting to get both of the surgeries done. But yeah, I'm good now, and that's very wonderful, and it is very, very much wonderful. And I'm really happy and grateful, and I gotta thank God for these surgeries too, especially my hysterectomy. I prayed for that hysterectomy, my guy, and I got it. I got it in the bag, and there you go. Look at that. The Lord is so good for doing that, man. And yeah, believe it or not, after having that hysterectomy too, I got back into Christ's path. I went back into Jesus, and I've never been the same in a good way ever since. So yeah, praise the Lord for that. Praise Jesus. Jesus is very good. So yeah, that's literally all for what has really impacted me from being able to be as consistent with this channel as I wanted to be. But I'm grateful for that, because it has led me to being able to do this kind of stuff ultimately. So yeah, I'm really excited for doing this kind of content moving forward, and just getting my front end development skills showcasing to the world and stuff like that, my progress and my experience and stuff like that. Not only that, just being able to do the kind of commentary on things that I'm passionate about. So yeah, there's that moving forward. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, listening to this video. If you like this kind of content and want to stay tuned to more and all that, you know what to do. And if you don't, well, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, anything is possible. All things are possible through God. And don't forget to read your Psalms, and see ya.